The entire team at Dash Designs would like to thank you for choosing Seat Designs, one of the top custom seat cover products in the industry. We've created this video today to assist you with the typical basics of a Seat Designs installation and hope that it provides you with the fit, feel, and look that will complement your vehicle for years to come. Today we have a car, some of our terrific covers, and Marco, one of our installers. So let's follow along with him to learn some of the basics to install your custom Seat Designs seat covers like a pro. First of all, check the label on the box to be sure that you've ordered the correct seat covers for the exact make, model, and year of your vehicle. Now that we've verified that we have the correct cover set, let's take everything out of the box and identify all of the pieces and parts. It's a good idea to lay out the pieces to determine where and on which side of your car each of the sections will be fitted. Your installation instruction sheet has some helpful tips and diagrams to assist you with installing. Last but not least, S-hooks that attach to the straps or loops, and the S-hook pull tool enclosed for convenience. The only other thing you'll need is a small pair of pliers.
At the back of the seat there may be a seat bib flap. This flap must be released to provide access to the gap between the seat back and the seat cushion so the seat cover straps can pass through. In many vehicles the flap is fastened under the seat with either one or two elastic loops that attach to hooks or the seat springs. Other vehicles use clips to fasten this flap to the seat springs under the seat. Reach under the back of the seat cushion to release the straps or clips and move the flap out of the way.
Marco, let's begin installing the seat bottom cover to the seat cushion. Notice, he makes sure to pull the cover onto all four corners so that the seat cover lays flat. He locates the elastic straps along the bottom of the seat cover and attaches the provided S-hooks. He then fastens the S-hook to each strap by closing the end with a small plier. Watch as he puts the S-hook pull tool onto the end of the S-hooks and pulls the strap under the seat toward the strap on the opposite end and connects the strap together. As Marco shows, sometimes the straps and hooks can't be brought together and connected to each other under the seat. If this is the case, he simply attaches them separately and directly to some of the spring webbing under the seat or to parts of the metal frame underneath. Notice how Marco puts the S-hooks on the straps along the outside and inside edges of the seat cover and closes them with a plier. Next, he uses the S-hook pull tool to feed each strap with the hook between the outside of the cushion and the inside of the plastic seat frame to get underneath the seat. Now he reaches in, unhooks the tool, and attaches the S-hook to the seat spring webbing. Many cars have adjustable headrests which may have to be removed first. Now, just like with the seat cushion installation, he simply positions the cover over the seat back and pulls it down slow and evenly in the front and back. If your vehicle has seats with side airbags, please make sure that the correct seat back cover is selected so that the cover's airbag cutouts are always on the door side of the seat. As with the seat cushion, he puts the S-hooks on the end of the elastic straps and closes one end of the hook with a plier.
The straps from the front of the seatback cover are pushed through the gap between the cushion and the seatback and connected behind the seat using an S-hook.
One of the last steps is to stretch and pull the headrest cover over the headrest unit, making sure to center the opening over the posts on the underside. There, you're all done. Marco gives a final inspection of each seat to assure that everything's lined up, tucked in, and snugly fitted. Now, as demonstrated, just get into the seats and move them back and forth to make sure that the fabric, straps, or hooks do not obstruct movement or normal operation of the seat. As a final thought, Marco reminds you to refer to the installation instruction sheet for some handy tips that might be helpful if your vehicle has armrests, a console, or levers and seat control switches that might require some special attention. There are also a few seat cover care and cleaning tips to help keep your seats looking great. If you have any comments or questions, please call Seat Design's customer service at our toll-free number or visit the website. Both are listed on the back of the installation instructions provided. Our courteous staff will be happy to assist you in any way they can. Thanks again for visiting with us. Thanks, Marco. And congratulations! Now it's simply time to enjoy the lasting quality and good looks of your new Seat Design seat covers.